Okay, chapter 23 is talking about gross and net profits. So you're learning objectives after reading through this chapter and completing the video and the practice exercises. Is you should be able to determine, of course, define the term gross profit, define the term net profit, calculate the gross profit and net profit for prescriptions, and define acquisition cost. So just to kind of give you some examples, is your key terms. Gross profit, what that means is that's the difference between the selling price of the prescription and the acquisition cost of the medication. Net profit is going to be the difference between the selling price of the prescription and the sum of all costs associated with filling that prescription. And your acquisition cost is what a pharmacy pays for a drug. So the gross profit formula, of course, these are in your book, but I always abbreviate GP for gross profit. That is going to equal your selling price, SP, my abbreviation for that, minus your acquisition cost, which is abbreviated AC. Okay. Now, if you're trying to find the net profit, my abbreviation for net profit is NP. And of course, that is usually the gross profit minus the dispensing fee. Okay. Or you could say selling price minus your acquisition cost minus the dispensing fee, which this is the first part of here. Okay. So you could, this one is either way for net profit. Okay, so if you look on page 183, all of these are about the same. There's a few questions of theirs I don't like because they give you a completely different, they give you like a negative answer, so I don't worry about those. So like number 5, you can just not even try to bother with that one. But number 1 is Zocor in a 5 milligram 30 tablets. It tells you that the acquisition cost is going to be $85.47. It tells you that your AWP cost is going to be $106.84. And then, of course, your selling price, of course, is going to be $109.93. And if you look above that, you have a chart that tells you if the AWP is a certain amount, what is the professional fee. So by using this table to determine the dispensing professional fee, calculate the gross profit and the net profit for the following prescriptions based on its AWP. Okay, so your AWP is what you'll go by on, of course, to find out which dispensing or professional fee or dispensing fee that you use. Okay, so first on each one of these is asking you for the gross profit and the net profit. So again, remember your gross profit, of course, is going to equal your selling price minus your acquisition cost. So you look up your selling price is $109.93. Your acquisition cost is going to be $85.47. Okay. So you subtract those and you should come up with 24.46. That is the gross profit. Okay. Next, to determine your net profit, you need to start out with that gross profit. So remember, it's your gross profit minus your dispensing fee. It will equal your net profit. Okay. So your gross profit is $24.46. Your dispensing fee, you go by the AWP, so it's over $50, so it'll be $15. So minus $15. So 24.46 minus your 15, of course, will get you your $9.46 for your net profit. Okay, number 2, it's telling you for the Prilosec, the acquisition cost is $198.40. Your AWP, of course, is $217.80. And your selling price, of course, is $237.76. Okay, so first I want to find the gross profit. So I'm going to take the selling price which is $237.76, and I'm going to subtract your acquisition cost, which is $198.40. I'm going to still put my little abbreviations there for you. So $237.76 minus $198.40 equals $39.36 for your gross profit. Okay, now to get your net profit, so there's your first answer. You're going to take your gross profit, which is $39.36. You're going to subtract your dispensing fee because it's over $50, so it'll be a $15 fee. And so $39.36 minus $15 is $24.36. Okay, and in your back of your book, this book actually gives the wrong answer in the back. So this one is on number 2 is what you'll go by. Sorry about that. I've seen a few errors in this book, so I apologize for that. But just if you are doing a practice problem and you come up with the wrong answer, if you email me, I'll double check it and let you know if you're right or not. Because I have noticed that in a few of the chapters that they have some errors there. Okay, number 3 is the Norvasc. The acquisition cost is $97.92. The AWP is $125.66. And of course, the selling price is $127.82. So again, to find your gross profit, we're going to take our selling price, we're going to minus our acquisition cost, and that'll equal the gross profit. Selling price is $127.82. You're going to minus your acquisition cost, which is $97.92. And of course, when you subtract those two, you get $29.90 for your gross profit. Next, you're going to take your gross profit minus your dispensing fee in order to get your net profit. Okay, so your gross profit, of course, is 29.90 cents minus your dispensing fee. You go by the AWP. It's over $50, so it's $15. Subtract those, and you get $14.90 for the net profit. So number 5, you have your Procardia XL30. You have your, it tells you that your acquisition cost, of course, is $105.05. Your AWP, of course, is $131.31. And your selling price, of course, is going to be $134.36. So again, you have your selling price minus your acquisition cost is going to equal your gross profit. So you take your selling price, which is $134.36, subtract your acquisition cost, which is $105.05, and of course, to get the gross profit, once you subtract those, it comes out to be $29.31. Then you take your gross profit minus the dispensing fee or professional fee equals the net profit. Okay, so your gross profit was $29.31 minus your dispensing fee. Again, you go by the AWP, which is $131, so it would be a $15 fee. So $29.31 minus 15 would be $14.31 for the net profit. Your gross profit would be $29.31. Okay, skip over to do one that has a little bit smaller amount. If you go over here to number 22, and of course your lorazepam 1 milligram tablets, it tells you that your acquisition cost is $8.80. The AWP is going to be $9.80. And your selling price of course, is $15.99. Okay, so again, you take your selling price minus your acquisition cost, and that equals your gross profit. So it'd be $15.99 minus $8.80, and you're going to get $7.19 for your gross profit. Okay. Now you'll take your gross profit minus the dispensing fee. It will equal your net profit. Okay. So your gross profit, remember, from above was $7.19. The dispensing fee is going to be different because it is below $10, so it's only a $4 fee. Okay, so $7.19 minus 4, of course, will equal your $3.19 as the net profit. Okay. So go ahead and go through some of these practice problems just to kind of get you into the habit of memorizing that formula. And again, that's the purpose of doing the flashcards, is to help give you a quick reference of memorizing formulas. Maybe like right before you do your certification test, or right before you do our test. It'll help. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, please send me an email.